Welcome back, everyone. Today I will introduce you Laguna S 2.1 and show you how to access this model for free. Let's first of all check the detail and the benchmark of this model. This has been released yesterday by Poolside team and it has 118 billion total parameters, MOE model, and 8 billion activated parameters. And if we compare it with other models like Tencent High 3, Inkling, Nematron 3 Ultra, DeepSeek version 4 Pro, Kimmy 3, Cloud Fable 5, MuseSpark 1.1, Queen 3.7 Max. So this is the benchmark as we have compared it with these, and you can see the detail in charts and compared with these models. If we come down and see, look at the terminal benchmark, it is compared and you can see it is an 11th number and it is good than a Minimax M3, DeepSeek version 4 Pro and other models. As you can see the details, go through this blog post and you can read all about this open source model, and it is free to use on different providers like KiloCode, OpenCode, and other command code and other providers. So I will access and use it for free using KiloCode. So let's open VS Code editor because I have installed the extension of KiloCode inside VS Code editor. Simply move to the extension market and then you can search for KiloCode and install KiloCode extension. So after installing KiloCode extension and VS Code editor, let's move now to the settings. So let's go here. You can see the settings. Open the settings, and inside the settings we don't need anything else. Okay, to move to the providers because it is already existed in the KiloCode gateway. So let's close it back and just simply come here and select here this model. Okay, select the model and here search for Laguna. So after searching for Laguna, find gateway, Kilo gateway provider, not the open router provider. Okay, we will find this Kilo gateway provider. Let's minimize this. And after that, find Laguna S 2.1, this one, which is free. You can see the free page with this one. So let's select this. After selecting this, now let's start chatting with this model. Like, hi, hello, how can I assist you today? And let's come here to the plan mode. What is inside this directory? Okay, so it will read this directory that we have opened AI test folder, and inside that we have index.html file. So it will give the detail instead for this folder. So look at model, you can see index.html file. The directory AI test contains a single file index.html 72 KB last modified July 2026. So it was the detail. So you can read about what is inside index.html file, and if you want to fix bugs, just enhance your website, you can just use this open source model and just test it. So it was all about this Laguna S 2.1 model, which has been released just yesterday. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.